Welcome back to Auto Addicts, the place where real car lovers get their dose of honest reviews, detailed insights, and the kind of vehicles that make daily driving practical and affordable. If you haven't subscribed to Auto Addicts yet, hit that subscribe button now and turn on the bell icon because you don't want to miss the lineup of budget-friendly, smart, and value-packed cars we've got coming up. And today, we're taking a close look at a compact MPV that made waves for being one of the most affordable 7-seaters in its class, the Datsun Go Plus, a car designed for small families, city driving, and those who want space without breaking the bank. Let's start with the exterior, because the Datsun Go Plus manages to offer a neat compact design with a hint of MPV practicality. At the front, it carries the familiar Datsun hexagonal grille, finished in chrome, flanked by large swept-back headlamps. The bumper is clean with integrated air intakes, and sometimes even daytime running lights in higher variants. Move along the side and you'll notice the elongated body, which extends just enough to accommodate the third row without making the car look too bulky. The simple character line, body-colored door handles, and compact wheel arches with 13 or 14-inch wheels give it a tidy, urban-friendly profile. At the rear, it's functional and straightforward, with vertically stacked tail lamps and a wide-opening tailgate, perfect for easy access to the boot.L. Step inside the Datsun Go Plus, and you're greeted with a surprisingly spacious cabin for its size and price. The dashboard layout is simple but practical. The center console houses a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay in the latest versions, making it one of the few cars in its price range to offer modern connectivity. The instrument cluster is basic but clear, with an analog speedometer and a digital trip display. The steering wheel is minimalist, with some variants offering audio and phone controls. The front seats are reasonably supportive and offer good visibility all around. The middle row provides decent legroom and headroom for 2 adults, though 3 might feel as squeezed. The third row, however, is best suited for children or occasional use, as it's a bit tight for full-sized adults. The good thing is, with the third row folded, you get a fairly large boot space, turning the Go Plus into a capable cargo hauler when needed. Storage spaces inside the cabin include door pockets, cup holders, and a glove box, although it's kept minimal to keep costs down. Under the hood, the Datsun Go Plus is powered by a 1.2-liter, 3-cylinder petrol engine that produces around 68 horsepower and 104 Nm of torque. It's paired to a 5-speed manual gearbox, and in recent models, there's also a CVT automatic option. While the power figures aren't groundbreaking, the lightweight body ensures that the car feels peppy in city traffic, with smooth power delivery and a nimble character. It's easy to park, light to steer, and the compact turning radius makes it ideal for crowded urban roads. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the Datsun Go Plus delivers well, offering around 18 to 19 km/L in mixed driving conditions, which makes it a very economical option for daily use. The suspension is tuned for comfort on city roads, easily handling potholes and rough patches, though it tends to feel a little floaty at higher speeds. Safety features in the updated variants include dual front airbags, ABS, with EBD, rear parking, sensors, and speed alert system, making it a much better equipped car than its earlier versions. As for pricing, the Datsun Go Plus is one of the most budget-friendly 7-seaters out there, with prices starting around 4.5 lakh INR and going up to about 6.5 lakh INR for the top variants, with CVT and infotainment upgrades. So, what do you think about the Datsun Go? Is it a smart choice for someone looking for space, economy, and city-friendly practicality? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Auto Addicts for more honest car reviews, automotive tips, and upcoming budget car updates. Stay tuned, we've got plenty more headed your way.